Hi guys, I'm back with another dip powder slash gel polish mani. So before we get started, I did prep my nails, I sanitized my hands, switched my cuticles back. I applied 2 coats of OONT Peel Off Base Coat for easy removal, and I used the color Cityscape by iGel Beauty. This is a dip application, so you do need dip liquids. I activated and I filed and buffed before I go in with the gel polish. And I chose the gray as a base because I thought it would be great because the gel polish is silver. I did purchase this off Amazon. I think it was about $11. I think it came with the directions on the back of the box regarding how long to cure, and it did come with that little magnet there. Guys, forgive my ugly band-aid on my pinky. I did scrape my skin, or my pinky nail, or the skin actually, on a bookshelf, and it scraped the skin up. So I have a band-aid, and I was just scared that I was gonna get dip powder in it. And anyway, so that magnetic gel polish, I did like it, but I don't know if I accomplished the look that I was going for. So with any gel polish, you want to make sure that you don't flood your brush. I just polished that on. This polish went on smooth, but let me tell you something. It burned like crazy under the lamp, even though I had the gel polish on. So I'm like, I don't know about this brand. It burned, so I had to just put it in there, pull it out. I've used gel polish in the past from other companies. No issues with burning. This one burned. So I'm just taking that magnet that came in the box, and I couldn't really get a good grasp on it. It's pretty small, so I'm using my iGel Beauty magnet, and that magnet is pretty darn strong. You see it's just moving the polish everywhere. And I'm only doing 2 nails at a time because it will, if you don't cure it, if you do all 4 nails or 5 nails and then try to stick it in a lamp, you could ruin your magnetic design. So the first layer, I'm using the magnet, I'm curing in the lamp. I think it was for 60 seconds. And then I'm going in and applying my second coat and repeating that process. I want to tell you, the look I was going for was the velvet nails type look. I think you guys may have seen it like on Facebook or Instagram. I think they're so pretty. But either way, even though it didn't turn out as I expected, I still loved the polish, even though it burned as well. I mean, I thought it was nice and sparkly and pretty. And it was, I thought it would be perfect for New Year's, because I did this mani the week before New Year's, or the weekend of New Year's. I can't remember. I have to go back and look and see the date that I recorded. But yeah, overall I did like it. The polish. For those of you that are new to my channel, hi, my name is Tish. I am a registered nurse who does, I like to do my own nails at home. For those of you that are not new, welcome back. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Guys, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. So I'm just going in with my second coat after curing in my lamp. And we'll repeat that process until I get the look that I like. And that eye gel beauty magnet is so freaking strong. It's like a boss out here. So guys, here's the finished look. I like it, even though the gel polish burned. But I applied my Luxie Nail No Wipe top coat and cured that in my UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. It is chip resistant, scratch resistant, and it has super shine. So you want to make sure that you finish your mani with your favorite cuticle oil, just to rehydrate the skin around your nails, and it also helps you hydrate your nails. I'm using Grimes Ridge cuticle oil. This apple cider smells just like hot apple cider. Smells so good. But I did notice that this cuticle oil, even though I like it, it's really greasy. So use sparingly. That drop just came out, and I probably could have used what I put on my thumb on all my nails. And you'll see it's greasy, but it gets the job done. You can also purchase this in a roller ball as well. And I think I did purchase these during Black Friday. Just about everything was on sale for Black Friday. But guys, I hope you like the mani, and hope you have a good week. I will see you next week.